My dear friend, in this video we will talk about the function of some crucial human organs. These organs play a vital role in keeping the human body functioning properly. So let's begin. So first one is heart. The heart is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to various tissue. And second one is kidneys. Humans have a pairs of kidneys. They filter waste products from the blood and excrete them from the body in the form of urine. And third one is liver. The liver produces enzymes that aid in the digestion of food and also play a key role in detoxifying harmful substance. And fourth one is stomach. The stomach stores and begins the digestion of food by breaking it down with acid and enzymes. And fifth one is lungs. The lungs are responsible for taking in oxygen from the air we breathe and expelling carbon dioxide from the body. And sixth one is brain. The brain controls our thoughts, actions, reactions and overall coordinations of body. And seventh one is intestine. The intestine digests food further and absorb nutrients into the bloodstream to nourish the body. So now we will talk about the all organs functions in detail. Lungs. Right lungs, left lungs. We have two lungs. Right bronchi, air passes way to the lungs, and left bronchi same work. Diaphragm separate thorax from abdominal, and trachea windpipe. We have two kidneys. Renal medulla secrete urines and renal pelvic moving urine out from the kidney. Liver, left lobe, right lobe, coronary ligament, gallbladder. These are the part of the liver. Stomach, it has three important parts. So now we will talk about the stomach work to store the foods, to break down the foods and empty the liquid into the small intestine. First one is stomach part, cardia, where the content of the esophagus empty into the stomach. Second one is body, main central region. And third one is the pleuris, filtering emptying the contents into the small intestine. And brains, cerebrum, performing higher functions and interpreting touch, vision and hearing as well as speech regions, emotion, learning and fine control of movement. Cerebellum, coordinate muscle movement and maintaining posture and balance. Heart, right side, left side. Pulmonary vulva, right vulva and tricuspid vulva, and aortic, left vulva, bicuspid vulva. The heart is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients. Intestine, large intestine, a small intestine, absorb, large intestine work absorb water and waste, creating a stool, and a small intestine work absorb most of the nutrients from the what we eat and drink. And rectum provides temporary storage for faces. Okay guys, if you want to watch selected videos, please subscribe my channel as well as share and like. Okay, thank you guys, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.